abahangwa aba bahire kushaba kwabo aha mukoro gwo kutongoza umureko gw'embazi eyekiraguju ahari Igongo Culture Center muri Mbarasiri. Omukoro ogu guhikirwa abantu bingi ababire barimo abahangu ombi amagara abarukora embazi yekiraguju n'abebembezi kurwo mbicweka bitabo bimwe na bimwe.
Bwire gushikire atandike kukozesibwa na umarwari ahubwo bashangire embazi y'nyone kora kurungi kandi ya especially keje bishaka kugira ngo tugire kimwe kuko mukimpu kikaye kiri kirungi bagite umarwari bakabakoze bikakozesibwa kurungi especially mwe ahiba ko bagikozesa na no mutware bwa kuko bagikozesa kugira ngo ubwoko byaro ushange doze tabayo na nebyo ikindi hatuko ko mwirwaro yakozesibwa kandi yaba itirwe aharisti zigezi embazi yihanga etaharisti ubwo baba kitestingire.
Medicine has a way it embraces you, your cultural entity, your spirituality, and your ancestral knowledge. All that is covered within traditional medicine. That's why, to me, traditional medicine is used not only by people who can't afford, but by all people who have lost hope. Traditional medicine can raise hope of individuals.
Ebi bibireho nyuma y'abazyo kandi bigwireho n'umwanya ogurabe no gushomesezebwamo abantu b'embazi yekiraguju kandi Dr. James Tumusime mukama w'Igongo Culture Center ashoborira habwenshi batireho umwanya ogu no kutaho umworeko gw'embazi yekiraguju,
so that the young people can take advantage of it. Traditional medicine are suffering because it's under stress. The environment is being degraded, plants are being cut left and center, biodiversity is disappearing. So it is our duty to make sure that we keep emphasizing this.
No kutangara no kushoberwa munonga kushanga ngo embazi tekwikirizwa izobana rumwe kushanga ngo ngakuri mirwaro nona rwo riyagwa kureka twahita cyo clinics situ twagira imanda yito n'imigeme yito twakorera ko amarwaro ga government kona kwikirizwa gukora ninga kuravura abantu taribari bakusimbazo so nyina government relation geje kandi nimbi yakite mu uko kini Uganda kabanya Uganda ni science yitu tuni technology yitu tubango bwitu shimikwa tukora embazi yitu ekazo mu marwaro gitu kona.
Daniel Yafesi Chabayize, Director wa Public Health Ministry y'ebyamagara n'wabirombye nyumukura mukorogu kandi habwira abanya-Uganda okufaha amagara gabo.
Poor health is one of the things hindering our development as a nation.
Tetwagala kukola kwogera bwogezi ku ddagala lyaffe ekinansi ne tukomaawo kubanga tulina okuyogerako ate ne twogera ne kukozesa naye likozeseddwa litya ojja kwesanga nti ebirudde ekisinga obungi ekozesa y'eddagala lino ekozesebwa mu kwekweka abantu balikozesa mu manju wa nyumba balikozesa mu kweka tebaagala kwogera ne babeera nga buli eddagala alikozesa muwabeera mu bantu ayagala kukyogera.
Tugerezeho munonga kandi tuyambire munonga abantu konkoza kureboreba omuntu nayemerera kugira turi ombazi n'ugutamba na munonga nkawo aherefi ningo umuntu orukora mu government aho ikiriza n'ugutamba konkata kayikiriza ngubase kuba open mu marwaro ninga health center ningo mu specialists.
Kuchondoza kwa World Health Organization nukuwereka ngo abantu 9 hariga no mahanga mingi omunsiona n'abakoresa embazi yekiraguju gasha kwa Abdikarim Sengendo.